Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
So, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are on a broker, this is the pocket option trading platform, of course, and I'm gonna show you my trading strategy today. Let's pick the necessary indicators. The first one is gonna be Keltner channel, my favorite one. So, the Keltner channel, here it is. It's similar to the Bollinger Bands because it has two moving averages right here, and this middle line is the Keltner channel itself, guys. Now that has the period 20. It shows us the price range, and basically what concerns the settings, we keep them as they are. There's no need to change anything. They work perfectly on 1 minute time frame. So, well, how does it work? You will ask me. Let's point out the workspace and I'll get this straight. Alright, so we're gonna take this area as the example. So the volatility is quite low now. However, I think I'll make this clear for you anyway. And you're gonna understand how to open positions correctly. Overall, there's the candles on the channel. When the price moves out of the channel, like we see in this zone, so this is the correction. The local low was updated here, and when we see its formation, then we should open long position. Remember it. Because when the price breaks the channel downwards, this is the first signal that, for example, if there's a downtrend, if there is a downtrend, the breakdown did happen, and we see that, then this is the signal number one, that the price is gonna go upwards and we should open the long position. So let's figure it out here when there's a downward dynamics. So we see the price broke the channel downwards. It's no longer inside the channel. We also see the touch of this support zone here, and basically we see such breakdown, and then we should open a long position right here. Then the pullback is over, we see the breakdown again, then we observe the inception of a green candle, and this is another chance to open long positions, guys. And here we see another case when the price broke the channel downwards and then the price went upwards again. Basically, I think you understand this pattern. There was another breakdown and then the price started going up. So this is how it happens when we got a downward trend. Let's choose the upward one and examine in detail. For instance, this price area, I'll point out the workspace. We see the price break through the channel. You should always pay attention to local highs and lows, of course. The breakout did happen, the price settled here. Here's the breakout itself, and we realize that the price will go to the downside very soon. We could open a position here and a position here, short position, of course. So the breakout also happened here, and we could opening a short. The same logic is here, but the price went sideways a little bit. You can see sometimes that happens. All right, here the price went downwards again, and there we also see the signal, and the price went down again. Also here we can clearly see it. The price started going up, then then there was the update of the local high, and after that the price went downwards. So you gotta be able to catch these timings, and if you are a beginner it won't be that easy for you, and that's why we're gonna use another oscillator, right? This is the stochastic. So stochastic shows us the price momentum, right? Now I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. I'm gonna demonstrate that to you. So let me just, so here it is. This is the stochastic. It consists of two moving averages. There are also the overbought zone and the oversold one. So it's somewhat similar to the RSI, so it has the period and two moving averages. The blue line is the signal line and the orange one is the stochastic line itself. So what is the position entry signal? How to work with it properly? The long position entry signal, I'll just explain to you. So the long position entry signal is the crossing of the oversold zone, which is the level 20. Or for example, when the price rebounds from the bottom up, I mean. So in this case, I think you got it. It works just like the RSI. What is the short position entry signal? What is the short position entry signal? I think you already understood. Is the crossing of the overbought zone, guys, from the top down, right? So when we see the moving averages cross this zone from the top down, then we open short position, and basically these are stochastic signals. So and our strategy implies the combination of these two indicators, Skelter and stochastic, which is impressively good for trading, especially on the 1 minute time frame. And we'd better set the period to 5. We have to find position entries pretty quickly. On 1 minute time frame, we have to stay focused all the time. So look, it shows the price momentum in more detail, and we see more market noises and breakouts, and all these breakouts are our trading signals. And this is our trading signals, and basically this is our strategy, guys. This is it. Actually, we can add one more stochastic. Set period to 30. Here in theory we could set the period to 15. Okay, let it be 15. The main stochastic has the period 5. Second one is gonna show us the price direction in general, and we will also take it into consideration. We're gonna watch the price dynamics. For example, like here, it shows us the upward dynamics in contrast to the upper one, and we can see, on the chart that the trend is upward, and basically it's gonna help us a lot. So I highly recommend to use it, guys. And how do we suppose to open a position entries while using this strategy? You should remember my explaining the Keltner channel. I said that it's complicated to find signal like this if you're a beginner, right? So how can you realize that the price, for example, will not go lower? And that's why we needed to use our supporting indicator, the stochastic. Alright, because it shows us potential local highs and lows. So look, now we open a long position here, for example here, because we see the reversal on the stochastic and it goes to the upside, and we see that the price went up from this point, and at the same time we see that the price broke the channel downwards. Damn, what's happening? Real stuff. So the price moves below the channel, then this is another signal. So we're gonna need two signals, guys, to open a position. So this first signal, right here, and this is the second one right here. There is symmetrical, guys. We see the price movement, and if we look at the price zone, we trade on a 1 minute time frame, open 1 minute positions. These candles also last a minute. The further price movement goes upwards here. There's the 7 candles, so the price went upwards for 7 minutes. And basically we can conclude that this scheme works perfectly. We can also have a look at here. We also see the symmetry here and the price. Then the price went upwards. Pretty easy. The same goes for the downward dynamics. The same. Let's find the currency pair that has the downward dynamics, and let's select this zone and have a look. For example, here. Okay, so this is the first signal, right, on the Keltner channel, and this is the second channel, second signal on the stochastic. So if you're a beginner, then you'd better look at the stochastic first and wait for the breakout. And here the price went downwards, and then a very interesting moment. The price broke the channel downwards again. And here's another signal for opening a long position. And then the stochastic also goes upwards, which is an additional signal, right? So if we consider this short position entry, then we see the signal on the stochastic, and the price goes downwards again, right here. So we see this excellent pattern here, and overall we can also look at the lower stochastic, which is the less sensitive to price. So if you see the breakout even on this stochastic, so if you see that, if you see the breakout, with the breakout on the upper one, then this is 100% signal, guys. It's impossible to lose here. Just believe me, and you should open a position without second thought. So this is the principle of trading, guys, and basically I can demonstrate how this strategy works in real trading and open several positions just to prove that, to prove to you that it really works. We have $1,000 on the balance. I guess you noticed it. We trade on 1 minute time frame. I already showed you the needed settings for the indicator. Overbought and oversold zones are 8, 80 and 20. And basically let's get down to trading. Let's get down and find the first trade entry. So much words, I guess you understand it. Take notes and repeat after me. And look, let's open a long position here. I'm gonna explain why. The price broke the channel downwards here, right? And from this point, the price should start going upwards like 100%, because we see the crossing and reversal from the oversold zone. I'll point out this zone, of course. Let me just point out from this zone. And if we pay attention to lower stochastic, we see some kind of reversal even here, and this is additional signal, guys. And overall, the local low has been forming here now, and then the price should move upwards. And let's just check it out. There we go. You can see the breakout, guys. The first position has been closed in profit. The price has gone upwards. The signal was 100% accurate. That's why we're in the profit. So let's continue the trading session, guys, and let's try to open a short position. So let's continue analyzing what's gonna stop us. Nothing. Okay, let's open long here. I haven't found the long position entry. unfortunately. But anyway, we see the breakout here on the stochastic, and here we see the price broke the channel downwards. This is the second signal, right? And from this point we have to open a long position. So we're gonna play out the pullback. So let's just see, let's just wait. Okay, and our second position in the profits. So the signal was absolutely accurate, even thought we opened at the higher level. Ideally we had to open here at the lower point, of course, but we open at a higher level. It doesn't matter now because the position has been closed in profits. Even if we open a little later, we'd be in the profits anyway. So, and this is the main feature of trading on 1 minute time frame. So if you can use indicators properly, it will be enough, guys. That's why this strategy is amazing. So let's open one more position. I'll try to find a short position for now. So let's continue analyzing. Look, guys, we opened a short position. Here we see that the price broke the channel upwards. There it is. Let me just, yeah, like this. Okay, now the price has gone up, and basically, how can you know when the correction is gonna happen? The breakout did happen, and that's the first signal, right? And here's the stochastic comes to our aid. We see the crossing of the overbought zone from the top down, and we open a short position because of that. Yeah. Let's point out the symmetry. Let me just. That's why we open the short positions, guys. And you see what's happening here, this massive dump, and there we go. Our position has been closed in profits. That's the thing, guys. Even for example, from 1000 we made 3,500, and it took us several times, several minutes, several positions. So let's move on to withdrawal, my favorite part, and let's fix the profit, I guess. Let's withdraw $3,400 and press the continue button. Overall, the transaction is being processed. I'll attach the screen where it's done, of course. So guys, I guess you get it. A lot of explanation, a lot of examples for today, even long, even short, explanations about the short and long entry principles. So I wish you understand it. If you have any questions, you can leave them at the comments, or better to text me in my Telegram channel, which you will find below in the video. Me or my manager will answer you, and help you. So thank you for watching. Have a good trading. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. To start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.